Hey, how's everyone doing? It's Phil with TRC. We're back out here at Cherville, Indiana project. This is a traditional bi-level in Northwest Indiana. Before, it was the tongue and groove wood look, and they wanted to go with a limited lifetime product warranty. So we actually resheeted this entire house with brand new plywood, house wrap, and then we installed Mastic Carvedwood Siding. This color, it's more of like a cream. It's Cameo, so it's the first time I've actually installed this color particularly. And a big thing too, the homeowner wanted to do the white accessories and trim throughout the home to kind of give it some contrast. So you could see even the new gutters, these are white. The fascia soffit is all white as well. And a cool thing about this side, they had the roof done about 10 years ago. So the edge metal actually was brown. We actually coated that with white to blend cohesively. We actually had a chimney here as well. They no longer use the chimney, so we actually terminated that completely just to have a flat service and minimum maintenance for them down the road. So we'll take you on to the front. This is a full renovation, so many things were included, including windows. So these are all brand new Andersen 100 series windows. We got sliders there and there, so very minimal maintenance, sealed completely, a nice warranty with the windows, and they're dual pane as well. We built out all the window flashings here, so we added 2x3s, and then we put some new aluminum capping on that as well. These were actually original windows. If you stood away, you really couldn't even tell which is old and new, so it all blends together. And as we know, ventilation and roofing is critical. Their soffit really had limited ventilation. So if we look up, we added a lot of ventilation for an intake with that new soffit. So that's all white as well. We updated their storm door here. This is an Andersen storm door as well. But a neat thing from Efron and the crew, they actually did a cap on the octagon window here. The price of an octagon window is pretty steep. So we looked at creative ways to kind of extend its life without switching that window. So our craftsmen actually did some high detail work and capped around that octagon window. A big thing if you're going through a vinyl siding remodel, it's a good time to consider updating your exterior lights, because anytime you do this series of renovation, 30 plus years of siding, a lot of those exterior lights are original to that home. So it's a great time to update your light fixtures. And then we even updated some of the electric to an outdoor weather guard system. Electric lights are all refreshed and kind of coincide with all the other elements that we've put up today. So on the side of the house, kind of one of our favorite pieces, just cost engineering for the homeowner. The windows, these are single panes into the garage. This is a big project. They didn't really want to replace these windows. We understood single pane, single pane. So our foreman in that, creatively, we built out the windows and just did a cap, and then we sealed around them. They beefed them out with 2x3s and then did a new cap. So now they look like a protruded window. As well as we updated some gable vents on all the gables. Turned out really great, just to add some cross breeze ventilation, especially like today where it's 90 degrees. Some airflow is really great in that attic space to help your roof. So now we're in the back. So this is our last phase. First phase is demo and wall prep with the windows. Second phase is all of our trim as well as the siding. So now we're here. We're actually prepping right now. Before we had a 2-step deck. We demoed all of that, got all the debris out of the way. And this week particularly, we had the utilities assess the yard, and then we actually did all of our footings for this new deck. This is gonna be a 15 by 15 deck with composite TimberTech deck boards and vinyl rails. Maintenance free was really the big theme here. This is about another week and will be wrapped on the deck. But really the cool things on the back, we added a brand new patio door here. So this is an Andersen custom door. We actually have interior blinds inside the glass, so they don't have drapes or curtains on the inside. So if you have pets or kids, no one's pulling or anything like this. So this is a really great alternative to create more space and kind of less of an interior hassle. One of the big pain points, brand new roof about 10 years ago. Well, they didn't work with that siding panel, and they kind of just did a trim piece that was rotting over time. So it was a never ending, people were caulking it, sealing it. So when we did the brand new plywood, we understood that was one of the big concerns. So we did counter flashing, and then we installed brand new J channel. So we have photos of before of what's underneath that vinyl. So we have house wrap, and then we updated the baby tins, which are with your roofing system. And you could actually see one of them kicked out on a corner We actually spliced it into the vinyl corner here, so we updated all those baby tins as well to help mitigate water and avoid any of those issues within the garage. So that was a big pain point. Our guys did really awesome, and we're really happy with all the accessories and the trim pieces.